Welcome to the Buddha Belly Life coaching community. You guys, I want to tell you a little bit about this rad membership community. I'm sure if you're here, you're either a currently certified coach or you are considering becoming a certified coach, and you probably fit one of three boxes. If you don't fit one of the three boxes, then you may not be interested in what we do here. But if you do fit one of these three boxes, you're going to love all the resources and growth that we offer in this community. So if you are a currently certified coach who is fresh out of school, who doesn't know where to start your business, and you're grappling with all the pieces of entrepreneurship that are just generally not taught in most coaching programs, then this is the space for you. If you are a current coach who has a successful business, but who really struggles to kind of get to the next level or feel the community support that you need to get through hard times, because let's face it, entrepreneurship comes with ups and downs all the time. You guys, coaching is no different. The ups and downs that we watch our clients go through are the exact same kind of things we can relate to in business and in life and in our own health journeys, right? Okay, so if you are working your business and running your business, but you're like, you feel kind of alone, or you feel like you're just kind of staying in the same place, and you have goals and things, but you just don't have the time to figure out how to do more, or do it differently, or what's really gonna suit your soul better, this is the place for you. And lastly, if you are someone who's considering becoming a coach, you have a passion for health and wellness and helping people, but you just apprehensive about am I really going to use this? Am I going to be able to create a business? I've seen so many people make businesses, and there's lots of coaches out there that are not doing anything with their educations, which is just a shame. And maybe this has gotten in your head. This is also the place for you. So here we've put together the Buddha Belly Life membership community. Is based on the Buddha Belly. It started with the Buddha Belly book, right? We are a branch off of and connected to the Holistic Wellness Coaching Academy, School for Gut Health, specializing in the brain-gut connection. And when we started training all these coaches in gut health, we realized that a lot of these coaches were previously certified from other schools. They were needing to add to their education, and they were also seriously missing the fundamentals needed to really be entrepreneurs, to enter the entrepreneurial arena. And that's the part, you guys, that gets you clients or allows you to pivot and work on your business, is the skills of entrepreneurship. And this just was not taught. So from the book, Buddha Belly, we've grown so much. We developed the Gut Specialist course, which evolved into the whole Holistic Wellness Coaching Academy school, all online school accredited with the AADP. From that point, we grew into to be able to train both new and experienced coaches. And after that point, the Buddha Belly brand now has branched off into a podcast, into a membership community, and into a personal client program. And all certified coaches through HWCA, through the now Holistic Gut Practitioner certification, are able to coach with that program and utilize it and everything. Well, in order to see even our coaches just keep going and growing, we decided that we needed to put something in place that would allow them a space to stay connected to community, to stay growing in cutting edge education, and to keep growing in their business. And that is how the Buddha Belly membership came to be. And so what you'll find in this membership, you guys, is you're going to see a monthly class on health education. We usually pick like some kind of really common topic that's really troubling the average client, cutting edge information. Like I said, we specialize in the brain-gut connection, so we're not just gonna do a basics class, okay? We're gonna elaborate on concepts. How can we get further with our clients? How can we overcome obstacles that a lot of them are seeing? So that class is featured each month. So our members get access to a new class each month. So it's a way of growing their education, their training once a month. Another thing that happens once a month is our monthly business masterminds. And those are our growth spaces, you guys. This is where you can jump on live, but you can also access the recording. You can give us your questions. You can submit your questions ahead of time and we can answer them on the mastermind. So even if you can't be there in person, we can address your specific questions sometimes for your specific business. And this is how we grow together. This is the safe space where we can talk about our business issues, our personal obstacles, our mindset obstacles, all of the things with like-minded professionals who don't just understand business, they are industry specific to coaching and specifically gut health and advanced concepts, okay? So we do that once a month. On top of that, every month you guys get 8 pieces of content. You know what a pain in the butt it is to create content. And if you're putting out value content and you're developing a brand, you're developing your presence out there in the world, you're going to need to contribute a level of content semi-regularly so that people know you're alive. It just kind of is what happens now. It's where people go to look for you, right? And so to be able to have some of that content done for you, written out in script, downloads of stuff that you can post or share or whatever is invaluable. So 8 pieces of that a month is included in the membership. Also, we have a full recipe box where we add 4 new recipes per month to that. And those are printable and downloadable, and they're all biome friendly recipes, you guys. So you can share those with clients, you can share them to your media outlets, you can feature them in a recipe on a YouTube, on some form of your media content. Okay, it's right there and it's waiting and it's done for you. And then last but not least, there's a section that after you are a member for 32 days, you get access to a training in the Buddha Belly protocol. So if you want to actually retail the protocol and put your clients in that and actually profit off of the protocol, there is a way that you can do that. You'll also learn about microbiome testing and utilizing some of the top clinical grade gut health supplements in that chunk of the membership. And that drips after 32 days. But if you just want to try it out, see if it's for you, see if it's a space where you can grow, okay? You're not going to be overwhelmed with stuff and feel like you're not utilizing it. We want you to get just enough of the right information where you can have a minor amount of investment time each month in your business. And this is in taking education and also working on in your business and your entrepreneurial arena with like professionals in your specific niche in the coaching arena. Okay. And so the membership is so worth it. Just the content alone, you guys, has about $100 value. But our membership's only $29 a month for all of it, for the trainings, for the masterminds, for everything. And your first month is free. So go ahead, try it out for a month. If you hate it, you can cancel. But what's even cooler is when you join as a member coach, you qualify for a scholarship into our Holistic Gut Practitioner Certification program. So this is through Holistic Wellness Coaching Academy. This is AADP accredited. If you're thinking about advancing your education and really working in protocols and working on an advanced level with brain gut science, definitely look into this program. As a member, you will qualify for a special discount scholarship. And whether you decide to take it or not is up to you, but the world is your oyster. So if you're looking for a space where you can work on your business, you've got to have community, guys. You've got to latch on to the people that are doing what you're doing. You've got to have a safe space to grow. You've got to have a continuous space to learn, and you've got to apply. And this is what we do here. So I invite you to check this out. Sign up for a free month. If you hate it, cancel it before you ever pay a penny. And if not, I'm pretty convinced that majority of you will find home here and you'll get really excited. And I'm so excited to see where you are 5 months from now, 3 months from now, even 1 year from now, and all the great things you're going to do within this space. Thank you for finding us. We're so stoked to have you.